Well, we are expecting a wet weekend heading into Labor Day, and there are several new flood prevention projects in both Miami-Dade and Broward that have been built for this kind of rainfall.
CBS News Miami's Steve Majiri found that Fort Lauderdale residents have not gotten to really see these projects at work yet.
Fort Lauderdale installed this pump station here behind me just in time for storm season. But neighbors around here say they haven't really seen it put to the test since rain has been sparse this summer. They tell me they won't believe that it works until it's tested during heavy rain. Tom Turberville lives in the Edgewood neighborhood in Fort Lauderdale, which fell victim to historic flooding 2 years ago. He says he had to gut most of his house.
Our whole house is gutted from 4 feet down, so to speak. So new walls, new flooring, and then had to get new cabinets.
Since then, the city has built this new pump station at the River Oaks Stormwater Preserve to handle floodwater in the Edgewood and River Oaks neighborhoods. The project finished in May, but Turberville says he hasn't seen it put to the test yet.
I don't think that pump has been stretched to its full capacity, and hopefully it never will.
Until he sees this pump in action, Turberville says his neighborhood will be on edge.
Our nervousness would go way down. Every time it rains, everyone in Edgewood and I'm sure the surrounding Fort Lauderdale neighborhoods get a little nervous.
In North Miami, the city finished building a new trench along this stretch of 121st Street in June. That's right where Emily Adams lives, and she has to keep sandbags in front of her garage ever since severe flooding hit her home last June.
My whole garage, the water came in and it was a couple inches. I had to throw everything out.
Adams says she hasn't really seen the capacity of this trench either. She says the project took some shade away from her front yard, but hopes she can get some flood prevention in return.
There's some concessions you have to take, right? Like trees getting cut.
The price tag of this pump station was $10.5 million, and residents in both neighborhoods are conflicted in a way. Part of them doesn't want it to rain because they don't want their neighborhoods to flood, and another part of them wants it to rain so they can see whether these projects actually were worth it. In Fort Lauderdale, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.